Hey guys, I'm George. This is the Obsidian Series 500D SE. You've already seen the 500D. It's an award-winning chassis and our best mid-tower ever. This is an SE version that has a few upgrades you might be interested in. The first upgrade you'll notice is that the aluminum front panel on the 500D has been replaced with a tempered glass front panel on the SE version. And the reason we did that is because the 500D SE comes with 3 LL120 RGB fans. With 16 individually addressable LEDs per fan, you're going to want to show them off. And to control those fans, we've included the Corsair Commander Pro. It allows full RGB customization. In addition to lighting, the Corsair Commander Pro allows full thermal and noise adjustability, so you can choose your sweet spot between maximum airflow and minimum noise. And the best part about it is we didn't have to get rid of any of the features that made the 500D an award-winning case in the first place. We have room for a 360 radiator, 240, 280 on top, a 120 in the rear, 8 expansion slots, vertical GPU mount, dust filters all the way around, and swing out tempered glass side panel so you can easily access your system. The Obsidian Series 500D is our best mid-tower ever, and the 500D SE is the best version of that case. For more information, head over to Corsair.com.